Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. Today I am back with a mini blog for you. A few days ago, I went to Kolkata airport by car driving for a special need. The full name of this airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. After parking the car, I presented the right view outside the airport to you. If you like it, leave a like, comment, and does not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much everyone for watching my mini blog. Good night. You are coming Kolkata airport, looking this airport very beautiful. Thank you so much everyone all. Good night.